lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli naze inohlonze kusihlwa nje.
We are going to support you to be self-sufficient. Nibe nokutya nilime.
Iphini likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile kanye nongqongqoshe wezokubuyiselwa komhlaba uMzwanele Nyonzo banikeze umphakathi wakuTsolo esifundazweni Eastern Cape amatayitela omhlaba.
Uma nje sesithola imphumela ye-DNA lengenzeka isithathe u2 weeks kuya ku4 weeks ukuthi mase sikwazi ukuthi sithole yona ezositshela ukuthi manje masiqale siede yonke into.
Abasolwa ababili kwabahlanu bavele enkantolo ngecala lokunyamalala kwentatheli uAsirindlovu kanye nathandana naye uZodwa Mdluli.
So on the day that the confirmation came that you were gone, I was shattered.
Abangani kanye nomndeni kaConstable Cebe Khululinda bamchaze njengeqhawe belisazokwenza kahle kakhulu ezintweni eziningi.
Sicela nje ukuthi sazise umphakathi ukuthi ukuphehla udweshu nodlame kuyicala.
Inhlakazo zokuphepha izobe iphume ngobuningi eThekwini uqinisekisa ukuthi umdlalo wamanqamu omqhudelwano iNedbank Cup uqhubeka ngaphandle kweyihibe. Nina bakaqamla nkomo kuba zilahlekile ziyakufa umdlebe kwaSoshangane siyakhuleka nina bezinyane lengezengeze nazi indaba. Iphini likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile kanye nongqongqoshe wezokubuyiselwa komhlaba uMzwanele Nyonzo bahlinzeke umphakathi wakuTsolo esifundazweni Eastern Cape ngamatayitela omhlaba. Lo mphakathi waphucwa umhlaba eminyakeni ebalelwa kwengama-90 eyedlule.
Lo ngomnye womhlaba abasuswa ngechova kuwo abahlali baseqelana nabaseqolombana baye bafuduselwa kwezinye indawo. Amabango abo omhlaba afakwa ngo-1998 ze bafumana inhlawulo yemali kwiminyaka yo-2017 balincomile elinyathelo likarhulumente.
Sasuswa ehlathini, sasuswa emanxiweni amadala. Urhulumente wasibuyekeza. Soneliseka kubuyekezwa kwethu ngurhulumente. Into esifunayo ke ngoku urhulumente sifuna asinike inkxaso sizokwazi okokuba silime sishela abantwana bethu ilifa.
Kodwa kwabanye awuqini ncamo umnqwazi.
Asibuyiselwanga wonke umhlaba waseqelana. Umhlaba waseqelana uyi-10,049
hectares.
Yes. Now ngoku sibuyiselwa umhlaba oyi-5,013.
Ukanti urhulumente ukholelwe kubeni ukubuyiselwa komhlaba kubaniniwo abaselungelweni kubuyisela isidima kwabo bagxothwa emihlabeni yabo.
Sizonikezela umhlaba kubantu bawo, sizonikezela umhlaba kubantu babo, sizobuyisela isidima sabo kuba umhlaba xa ubuyisela ebantwini awubuyisela umhlaba kuphela, ubuyisela nesidima sabo.
We are going to support you to be self-sufficient. Nibe nokutya nilime so that you can be able to feed your children and do everything that will develop this community.
Urhulumente uthi unezicwangciso zokulungisa ingxaki yokutsala emva komba wokubuyiselwa komhlaba. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude kuTsolo.
Amaphoyisa athi asathungatha abanye abasolwe ecaleni lokunyamalala kwentatheli uAsirindlovu kanye nathandana naye uZodwa Mdluli. Namhlanje abasolwa ababili kwabahlanu kuleli cala bebevele enkantolo yeMantshi kwaMhlanga esifundazweni eMpumalanga. Like laguqa icala njengoba umsolo yedwa ecela ukuya esibhedlela ekhala ngokuthi ushayiwe. Icala lihlehlele umsombuluko.
Ilungu lomndeni belixoxa nabeziko lezindaba ze-SABC lithi umndeni uqhatha usizi njengoba sekhona izidumbu ezitholakele yize ngaqinisekiswa ukuthi ngezabazali bakhe.
The family is having a hard time taking the news because we were still hopeful that we were going to receive both of them alive. So getting to hear such news is shattering for the family. So for now we're still waiting for the DNA results, but we are in a very bad space as a family at the moment.
Obama njengomkhuzo wamaphoyisa esifundazweni uthi banesiqiniseko sokuthi labantu ababoshiwe yibo kanye laba ababafunayo.
Okwamanje ngempela sinesiqiniseko ukuthi ibona ngempela angiboni ukuthi ikuphi okungasishintsha kulokho sineqiniso lalokho.
Lo sigaxa amabhande emaphoyiseni uthi icala lokubulala alikangezwa ngoba kusalindwe imiphumela yolibofuzo.
Uma nje sesithola imiphumela ye-DNA lengenzeka isithathe u2 weeks ukuya ku4 weeks ukuthi mase sikwazi ukuthi sithole yona ezositshela ukuthi manje masiqale siede yonke into ngoba kuzifiso zethu ukufika lapho kodwa ke asikwazi ukuzenzela until sithole umphumela we-DNA.
uNdlovu kanye noMdluli banyamalala ngoNhlolanja nonyaka kanti abasolwa babe sebekhalelwa amasongo kasigonyela ngempela sonto. Amaphoyisa athi omunye wabasolwa nguyena ukhombe indawo la kulahlwe khona izidumbu.
Sithanda ukwexwayiswa ngombiko olandelayo ukuthi uquketha amagama aphathelene nezocansi. Abameli bakamehluleli uSelby Mbenenge bebengagculisekile ngofakazi obebizo lwesicaweni uNtomboxolo Jobela ngokwehluleka kwakhe ukuveza umfanekiso wesithombe sobuntu bamehluleli uMbenenge okunezinsolo zokuthi wathunyelelwa kuye uAndisa Mengo.
Ufakazi uNtomboxolo Jobela noAndiswa Mengo basebenza ndawonye njengomabhalane bamajaji eEastern Cape. Ungomunye kulabo okuvelile esicawini ngaphambilini ukuthi wathunyelelwa umfanekiso wesithombe sobuntu bejaji uMbenenge awuthola uvela kuAndiswa Mengo. Utshelele isicaba ukuthi isithombe akasenaso njengoba esashintsha nomakhalekhukhwini ayewusebenzisa ngesikhathi ethunyelelwa sona.
Ndicacelwa council usiveze phoneini.
This is not clear now, Council. Am I supposed to be producing this from my phone?
Yes.
Ewe.
Ansenayo kwalo phone ndandiyisebenzisa ngelo xesha.
I don't even have that phone that I used back then.
Ohola ofakazi ngembuzo kulesi ithangami uAdvocate Salome Skippers uphinde wabizela ngaphambili umqondisi obhekele ukusebenza kwezinkantolo eEastern Cape uDemin Hoqwana.
And I was liaising between the judge president and her until the incident when Miss Mengo put up the WhatsApp messages that were exchanged between her and the JP on her status.
Her WhatsApp status?
Yes.
Isicaba siguqele umsombuluko ozayo lapho sizobe sesingenela khona osukwini lwe-16.
Abangani kanye nomndeni kaConstable Cebekhulu Linda bamchaze njengeqhawe belisazokwenza kahle kakhulu ezintweni eziningi empilweni bathi ubebathanda abantu kanti futhi ubeyinikele nasemsebenzini wakhe. Inkonzo yomngcwabo wakhe boyibanjwe leBochabela eBloemfontein esifundazweni eFree State namhlanje.
Omunye wabangani bakhe uthi yena ubegaqela ukukhuluma emshadweni kaLinda hayi emngcwabeni wakhe. uLinda uchazwe njengomuntu obenamaphupho amaningi abefuna ukwafeza kuthiwa lokho abesakwenzile bekuncane kunalokhu abeyimisele ngokuthi akwenze.
So on the day that the confirmation came that you were gone, I was shattered. When you took your last breath, you took a part of me with you.
Iphini lika Commissioner wamaphoyisa lithi uLinda ubazi kahle ngomngozi obukhona emsebenzini abewenza. Lithi ube ingxenye yethimba elenza umsebenzi ongabongwa nakangako.
We heard of the rising star that he was in the field of cybercrime and his commanders. And the subs at large were still expecting to watch this star rise.
Undunankulu wase-Free State naye ubhonge emswaneni wabonga umsebenzi ashiye wenzile uLinda.
Those who choose this career path are a special type of patriots. And dare say they are wired differently. They make conscious decisions to put themselves in harm's way, in protection of the vulnerable in our society, with absolutely little to no regard for their own lives.
Iphini likaNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa lithi uphenyo mayelana nokudlula emhlabeni kwalamaphoyisa amathathu lusaqhubeka.
Mbukele sathi qho itolo kwaMawe sibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthini.
Honorable members, every racist inkling, no matter how small, is a cancer on our nation's body.
I-EFF eParliament ifaka isincomo sokuthi kuzofanele uhulumeni aqede ngokusemthethweni izizinda zeindawo ezifana neOrania kanye neKleinfontein ezihlala bohlango olulodwa lwamabhunu. Asibinqwe sikwamukela uma usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili imbukeli besibike ukuthi iphini likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile kanye noNgqongqoshe wezokubuyiswa komhlaba uMzwanele Mnyonso banikeze imiphakathi emibili yakuTsolo esifundazweni Eastern Cape amatayitela omhlaba. Mbukile kasikhumbuze ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus wena kumele ukwenze ngena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngobunjalo bazo. I-EFF eParliament ifake isincomo sokuthi kuzofanele uhulumeni aqede ngokusemthethweni izinda zeindawo ezifana neOrania kanye neKleinfontein ezihlala abohlango olulodwa lwamabhono.
Nia eMhlakoloni neKleinfontein eGauteng zindawo ezihlala amabhulu. Iqela le-EFF lithi ayizondawo zokugcina inkcubeko koko zenzelwe ukukhuphela abanye ngaphandle kwaye zinyasha imigaqo ebumba uMzantsi Afrika.
Allowing Orania, Kleinfontein or Ireka to persist emboldens discrimination and it normalizes division.
Amaqela aliqela ezopolitiko ayangqina.
Allowing racially exclusive communities to flourish unchallenged is tantamount to betraying the struggle.
To dissolve the 9 provinces into 4. We will extinguish the racist thought of Cape exit.
Iqela le-FF Plus lizikhusele ezindawo.
Who is the real threat to non-racialism? A political party who wants to cut the throat of whiteness and who wants to confiscate the property of whites.
South Africans should view EFF and enclaves like Orania as a threat to nation building.
Ngelixa i-Action SA icele amalungu azijonge kuqala phambi kokukhomba abanye ngeminwe.
The same ideology thrives here in this house, in parties that pretend to be liberal or revolutionary while preaching division, inciting hate, and refusing to take responsibility for the fires they fan in our society.
Tingilulama Matya wendaba ze-SABC eParliament eKapa.
Ophiko oluphenya amacala akhethekile selinikezwe igunya uMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ukuba liphenye ngokwenzeka kumasipala waseMbombela eMpumalanga. Lokhu kumayelana namathenda esikhombisa akhishwe umasipala asolisayo.
Lo masipala uyaphenywa. Uphiko oluphenya amacala akhethekile iSIU ikholwa ukuthi khona ukushaya amanzi ngendlela okusetshenziswa ngayo imali emkhandlwini eMbombela. Ithi uzophenya ukusetshenziswa kwemali okungenasidingo nokungalandeli imigudu efanele. Njengamanje kunamathenda ayisikhombisa aphenywayo.
Tender 3 relates to engineering services. Tender 4 is for the construction-related goods and services in respect of the R538 Hazyview to Numbi Gate 10 of project. Tender number 5 is relating to the appointment of professional consultant for the establishment of strategic programs and project support unit for the municipality. Tender 6 is in relation to 10 key energy efficiency and demand side management program. And lastly, Tender 7, that is in relation to the implementation of the construction of the phase 1 of the Nsikasi North Bulk Water Scheme.
Umkhandlu uthi uyalwamkela lolu phenyo.
As City of Mbombela, we only learned about the intention to investigate issues of maladministration in the City of Mbombela by the SIU through their media statement.
Lolu phiko luthi luzodlulisa bonke ubufakazi obutholakalayo kulolu phenyo kuphiko olusheshisa amacala omphakathi iNPA.
Ondunankulu wesifundazwe i-Eastern Cape Oscar Mabuyane uthi ukungabi nandaba neindawo ezigcina umlando kulesifundazwe kuyakhathaza kakhulu futhi ke akwamukelekile. Uthi umphakathi kufanele kube yiwona ovikela indawo efana nesikhungo i-Held Down Mission.
Esisikolo nesasekwa ngonyaka u1855 sikhuphe inkokheli zopolitiko nezifundiswa eziqoqu Nelson Mandela, uRobert Sobukwe nabanye. Noxa nje sazenzela igama ngokuncedisa ekulweni ingcinezelo, sibe nako ukuchaphazeleka kudilizo olungakho mthethweni lwale mihla.
Sinengxaki ne-infrastructure vandalism eyenziwayo noba
communication noba yephi nje infrastructure sibanayo esiyenzayo sibone izinto ezenzekayo zokuphazanyiswa kwe-infrastructure noba zezi heritage historical sites ziyavandalizwa. Siyabacela abantu be-community noko basincedise xa kwenziwe into enje yenziwe apho kwafakwe 100 million kwesi sikolo yeyabo mabaprotecte isikolo sabo.
Babesakuba ngabafundi kwesi sikolo bathi balwe kangangoko banako ukuqinisekisa ukugcinwa kwenkcubeko yesi sikolo.
Si-alumni sithe sakubona isikolo siyavalwa sadibana no-Department of Education nabanye abantu sacela into kokuba esi sikolo masivuswe kuba sikwazi uvalwa kuba sikhuphe i-leaders inkokheli ezininzi zelizwe.
Inqununu yesi sikolo ithi izimisele ukusonyusa isidima sesi sikolo ngokonyusa amanani okupasa kwabafundi.
Ndiqala mna kuqala ukuleader from the front so that notishala babone into bangaba the 100% and the quality that I'm talking about okanye ndifunayo kubo nam ndiyakwazi ukuyenza. So if ndiyakwazi uyenza notishala uyakwazi uyenza nomntana uzawukwazi uyenza. Sincedisana of course ke ne-stakeholders ne-SGB.
Inkulu baphathiswa uMabuyane uthi uzaqinisekisa ukuthwesa kwezidanga kumatsha-ntliziyo ayifunda kwesi sikolo kuquka kubo abangasekhoyo. Ndingusidima Mveku kwiindaba ze-SABC ndiseHilltown.
I see the world through the eyes of a child. The world's wonders mesmerize me. Discovered in joy in the people where the sun still shines. Iklang mabone, Mzansi Africa, rediscovering the sense of wonder. I see all colors, even those beyond the rainbow. I can see clearly now the light will shine so bright.
Sizobe iqinile zokuphephethekwini KwaZulu-Natal kusasa njengoba kuzobe kunomdlalo usubo undaba mlonyweni isikhathi eside lo mdlalo umbukela uphakathi kweKaizer Chiefs kanye neOrlando Pirates ekaMagebhula nabafana basePhefeni bazobe beqhuthana amakhizane kwamanqame Nedbank Cup enkundleni iMoses Mabhida. Amalungu embokwe bomvu athi simo aqaphile ngoba bese kunabasonga ngodlame.
Amaphoyisa athi abalandeli bebhola bangenawo amathikithi okuba seMoses Mabhida bangasondeli eduzane kwalenkundla. Ezokuphepha zizobe ziqinisiwe ngoba izinsongo ngodlame olungase libe khona abazithathi kancane.
Sicela nje ukuthi sazise umphakathi ukuthi ukuphehla udweshu nodlame kuyicala and sizokwenza ukuthi laba bantu labo abenza lokho sidile nabo baboshwe.
Amaphoyisa athi ngeke avumele ukwephulwa komthetho.
Asikuthathi kancane into zabo le ukusabisa kwabo asikuthathi kancane neze kangangokuthi njengamanje sibhizi siyabafuna siyaba-identify because bukhona ubusa babo ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana.
Amaphoyisa athi aqiniseke kakhulu ezokuphepha kanti azoqapha ngeso lokhozi ezindaweni abakhathazeke ngazo. Amaphoyisa kwaMetro kanye nawomgwaqo ajutshwe ukuthi alawule ukuhamba kwezimoto njengoba imigwaqo eseduzane nenkundla zobivaliwe. Abalandeli bayanxuswa ukuthi basheshe bafike enkundleni kanti izinhlelo ze-park and ride zikhona njengoba amabhasi nezitimela kuhleliwe. Amasango enkundleni azovulwa ngo-11 ekseni bese uqala umdlalo maligamanxa ihora lesithathu. Londe Khatebe, SABC News eThekwini.
Mbukile sesekulo lolu daba lweNedbank Cup umdlalo wamanqamu kusasa sivakashelwe ke abalandeli balamaqembu omabili uJwaha oqoke amagebhula bese kuba ke uMachaka umlandeli woqina weKaizer Chiefs angiqale ngawe Jwaha umdlalo odlule ekamagebhula zanqoba ngamagoli amabili kwelilodwa kodwa ngangise stadium ngezwe abanye abalandeli beChiefs bethi bayabuya emidlalweni yakusasa indebe yabo.
Umdlalo phakathi kweParis neChiefs kuba umdlalo omningi omhle kakhulu ngoba kuba umdlalo ophakathi kwabalandeli ngokusupporta kwabo lama team nangokuthanda nogqozi kodwa ke sithi isiZulu amanzi lapho ayekeme khona aphinde okusho ukuthi isonke simnandi masidleke kahle sisazophinde sisihlephule sisidle.
Machaka igoli nishaqala ziyabuye ezimnyama zizoshaya amabili abalandeli mabephuma enkundleni bathi no kulungile besibanikeza ithuba lokujabula ngomgqibelo olandelayo besho kusasa siyayithatha indebe.
Ngesilungu kuthiwa the recent results count for nothing. Ngamanye amazwi sesimisela kakhulu for umdlalo wakusasa and uNasirine naye uyazi ukuthi this is a do or die for amakhosi. Because bashaye kabili abantu laba bathathe 6 points kithi, so this is the right time, this is a derby like no other. So ngamanye amazwi awuthiyame ngiyaxolisa for indaba yakusasa ukuthi ikomiti mina ngibuya nayo ngisenatural.
Okubhlungu yiloku Shakes lo muntu okhuluma ngayo iSpanish guitar eseyichithekile imizi yamadoda ungayobuza uRulani Mkwena njengele Morocco ukuthi kwenzekani ubuye ubuza uManqoba Mncethu ukuthi kwenzekani uma efekile iSpanish guitar mfowethu iyaphela ama contract manje leke unikeziwe ichance unapi leyakusasa mfowethu kuhlokana inhloko nesixhanti uyaphela umsebenzi kunapi ngaphandle nje kwamathandabuzo angingabazi ngalokho
asikunike ithuba ngaphambi kokuthi sivale. Kusasa umdlalo wamanqamu ubona ukuthi isikole sizothini nanokuthi obani ababheke ukuthi bakole.
Sinengane ezincane lapha azifundi nabadlali nabantu abadala uma usunamadolo nje hlehla ngoba nginonkotha nginomfukini emuva ngiTLB bathi bukola ibutho lakazo kuvibe bambe ngizobashaya ngamathathu.
Angiphethe ngawe Machaka amakhosi kusasa uwabone hamba kanjani?
Ngiyabonga ukuthi sinomdlali wethu wandile uDuba ukhona ubuyile sinayo futhi uNoshomi Miguel ukhona ubuyile so ngithi kuwe bhuti wami ngikushaya ngo1-0 extra time my brother sengiyayivala ke eMosima Peter Stadium.
Lungile sobe sibuka umdlalo mina ngilandela iBafana Bafana. Sibonge kakhulu. Mbukeli umhlahlo wesimo sezulu ke uyalandela emva kwekhefu. Mbukeli usale kahle.